Unit 3, Day 1, Homework Assignment Tutorial, Angle Pairs. I'll complete the odd ones with you. For the first section, it wants you to use the diagram below to identify the following angle pair as vertical, linear, alternate interior, alternate exterior, consecutive interior, or corresponding. Alright, so the first one, angle 1 is here, and angle 5 is there. If I were to just only focus on those first two lines and not focus on the third line, angle 1 and angle 5 would be considered alternate interior because they're on opposite sides of the transversal and they're both outside. So alternate exterior. Number 3. We're looking at 3 and 6. Since 3 or 6 form a bow tie, those are vertical angles. And number 5. We're looking at 9 and 7. 9 and 7 are adjacent and they form a line, so they're a linear pair. Alright, same thing, same idea. Use the diagram to name the angle pair relationships. So this works very nice if you have multiple colors. Angle 6 is here, and angle 7 is here. So the transversal would be this line that's straight up and down. So both angle 6 and angle 7 are in between these two parallel lines, or what look to be parallel. So they're interior angles, and they're on opposite sides of the transversal, so they're alternate interior. Number 9, angle 2 is here, and angle 4 is there. So the transversal would be this line that both of them are close to. The, those two lines that determine in between would be these ones that look to be parallel. So they're on the same side of the transversal, and both of them are below the lines that they're next to. So they're same side, same position. So that means they are corresponding. Number 11, angle 4 is here again, and angle 8 is right here. So the transversal would be this horizontal line right here. And both 4 and 8 are in between these two lines that are running up and down. So they're interior and they're on the same side interior. So that means they're consecutive interior. On the next one, number 13, you can find angle 7 and angle 8 inside this spike. And the transversal would be the little horizontal line. and both 7 and 8 are in between the two other lines that form the seat and the handrail. So they're both on the same side and inside, so that means they're consecutive. All right, on this next diagram, it's possible that none of the 6 are true, so be careful. So on 15, we're looking at angle 16, which is here, and angle 14, which is there. Together, 16 and 14 make a bow tie, so that means they're vertical. Number 17, we're looking at angle 10 and angle 9. They're adjacent, meaning next to, and they form a line, so that means they're a linear pair. And number 19, angle 4 is over here. Angle 5 is right here. So that means the transversal would be line T. And they're both 4 and 5 are between line K and W. So they're on the same side inside. So that means they're consecutive. And on number 21, they want us to graph this equation. To graph it, you need to know what the y-intercept is and the slope. The y-intercept is -4. The slope is +5. So you would plot your y-intercept on your y-axis, and I'm going to do this the best that I can. It's at -4, which is here. From the y-intercept, you're going to rise up 5. So that would take me here and run once. So I'd be here. You can go up 5 one more time, and one more. And then you could draw yourself a line. And that's all you need to graph a line. This concludes your tutorial.